Hi, I'm Tom Morrison and I am a third year film and television production student. So I want to talk about my third year group project work, which is on a film called Three to Hide, and I was the cinematographer. In your third and final year of film and television production, the group projects module is your massive final year film. So the process is that anybody in the year who wants to pitch an idea can do so, and there's a massive pitching session with the whole year in one room, and then we vote on the ideas that we as the cohort want to see made. And then once that's done and we get a selection of films and TV shows that are going to be made on the module, the rest of the students interview to fulfill all the necessary roles on those projects. So I interviewed to be the cinematographer on Three to Hide, as well as a couple of other projects, and ended up with Three to Hide. They chose me to shoot their film, and it was a really exciting process to work with a big team of people who are all working towards this one goal of making this movie as good as we can. So in pre-production, I worked with my director and the editor and the producer and all the other roles to create a sort of a vision for what we wanted the film to look like. And then we went through a long process of testing equipment, what sort of camera we wanted to use, what lenses we wanted. We had a whole range of kit in the department that they can offer us. So I went through everything they have to decide what I wanted to use, and then we picked it out and we were able to shoot with it, and it was really good fun. We shot the movie on an Arri Alexa Mini LF, which is a fantastic camera. Other credits with the camera, stuff like 1917, Dune, The Batman, you know, these fantastic high budget, high end films, and it was an absolute pleasure to shoot with the camera. And when we got to the week that we had to shoot, I brought in some really good friends of mine and other people on the crew who helped me in the camera department, and they were fantastic. And it's really great to see so many people working towards the same goal at once to make a really fantastic movie. And we shot the film in a really fantastically ambitious way, with massive dollies and tracking moves throughout the house that we were shooting in. And it was great for me to have the opportunity to have access to everything I need and to have a process where I can go all the way through from pre-production to delivery as a cinematographer on a film. And that's a massive learning curve for me in terms of my role specifically, working with other people. What do people need from me and what do I need from them? And it's a great opportunity to shoot something however you want. It's low risk because it's for the university, it's for your own growth and your own learning, and you can achieve whatever you want to achieve, and however much effort you put into it, you'll get out of it. So we all went 100% on the project, and it's amazing to see such great results from so much hard work.